Well, we got a thunderstorm brewing, folks. You can see the rain getting on the lens. The wind's blowing pretty good. Well, I had to move under cover of the garage here at Diane's house because the rain is really starting to come down hard. Don't know if you guys can see it at this point in time. But as you can see, the trees coming into view on the right hand side of the frame are being blown around pretty good by a strong easterly, or rather northerly wind. See what I mean? Hey, check it out. The sun is coming into view. You might be able to see the delineation between the shadow of the house and the sun on the ground, which probably means we'll be able to see a rainbow. And I might be able to get it on the video. Well, I'll just have to keep an eye out for it. Here. In this view, we're on the deck, the back deck, that is, of Diane's house, looking out into the woods. We're kind of facing southeast in this view here. Well, the rain is moving away. Part of the sun is peeking out from behind this cloud bank you can see right in front of you, or rather just cloud. I'm looking for the signature sign of a rainbow, but so far I'm not seeing anything. I'm probably not in the right spot to be seeing it. Several hours later, after the thunderstorm rolled through, only a few wispy clouds remain from the storm system, And so, another day comes to an end here in Spokane, Missouri.